All right, guys, so I'm going to take you through a couple of the features of the Compustar Pro T-13. So to remote start it, you'll just hold this center button down for 3 seconds. And you'll get a confirmation. There it is. You can see your truck, and the lights will flash, letting you know that it started. And to stop your remote start, you'll just hold it for 3 seconds. Okay. Now, once you start your remote start and you want to drive off, you have to hit unlock. Otherwise, as soon as you put your foot on the brake, it'll cut off. Another feature is the proximity. So we'll lock it, and when we walk towards the vehicle, it should automatically unlock for us, and we'll get a confirmation on our fob. So let's see how that works. There it is. And we got a buzz on our key fob, and it is unlocked. So now we'll lock it back up. Now to do your trunk release, you'll hold the unlock button for 3 seconds. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3. And there it is. There's our trunk release going up. And to close it back, you'll just hold it unlock button again for 3 seconds. And you'll get a confirmation on your key fob. There it is. Now, as I mentioned again, this is has a 3-mile range, so you can be 3 miles away, remote start your vehicle, do all your operations. Now, this also has the dual shock sensors, so we'll give it a while to kind of set itself, the alarm, about 45 seconds. Then we'll go up and kind of pound on it, and the shock sensor should pick up the shock and vibration of us, and it should set off the alarm. But what I have to do is I have to leave the fob away so it doesn't detect me near the fob. So I'll just kind of leave the fob set down over here in the grass, and then what we'll do is we'll go over and kind of pound on the vehicle a little bit, and we should set off the alarm. So let's kind of just, there it is. Okay. Oh, let's go get our key. We're also getting alerts on our phone. So okay, we'll stop that. So that's the nice part about it. When it detects shock, when someone's trying to break into your vehicle or pound on your wheels, steal your wheels, the alarm's going to trigger. You're going to get alerts on your fob. It's going to start buzzing, and you'll get alerts on your phone. So that's an amazing thing. And no matter where you're at, you can be miles away. As long as you have a signal on your cell phone, you're going to get that alert as well as on your key fob. So these are a couple features of the Compustar Pro T-13. Highly recommend this alarm system. Amazing system. I have another video on that. Check that out as well. But you guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next video. Alex is RT Live, signing off.